Now, after the explanation, you know when to say Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend, Hallo, Tschüss, Auf Wiedersehen, Gute Nacht. I have some worksheet for you. I will provide it so you can print it and test yourself if you understood what I explained to you. It's very easy, so I want to show you, just follow me and let's start. Sich vorstellen, to introduce yourself. Guten Morgen, in the morning, the sun is rising. Guten Tag, during the daytime. Guten Abend, in the evening. And Hallo, you can say in any time, you can say Hallo. Mostly you say Hallo, Guten Morgen, Hallo, Guten Tag, or you just say Hallo. And if you leave, you say Auf Wiedersehen, Auf Wiedersehen, Gute Nacht. Here you can say, he says Gute Nacht, I'm going to sleep, Gute Nacht. Tschüss. Tschüss you say mostly to your friends. Übung, exercise. Ergänzen Sie die Sätze. Okay, mostly you have some sentences like this. You don't need to understand them at first, but you can see and realize, okay, I have to complete something. Complete the sentences. Okay, you see the pictures. What is happening here? This boy is just waking up and the sun is rising. So it has to be the morning, yes. So we say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Oh yeah. Fine. The second one, well, the boy is fresh, ready for the day, or already ready, and it is daytime. So we say Guten Tag. Guten Tag. We say, Guten Tag. Okay. Well, here what is happening? The moon is already sleeping. Okay. Day is over. We say, but he's still awake. We say Guten Abend. We say Guten Abend. Okay. We say Guten Abend. So we say Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend. What we have here? Well, we say bye. So he's going home. And he's saying auf, what we learned, auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Wiederhören is on the phone, and there's something additionally. You will learn this later, but I'm providing you this information. And with your friends, you will say Tschüss. Tschüss. Yes. Mostly, if you say Tschüss, you say Tschüss, so you make the Ü little bit longer. And of course, the last one is Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Yes. I hope it wasn't difficult. It was just for you. So my advice for you is print it out and just, for example, the first part, this one, you can cut it off from here and put it in a place where you can see it every day so it becomes normal for you. I don't want from you just to memorize it. I know you are capable of to fill the blanks. You know this is Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend, Auf Wiedersehen, tschüss, gute Nacht. I know you are totally capable of doing this. I just want from you that you are trying to learn it with fun, and especially trying to learn it with your heart, with your inner intuition. Because if you just only rationalize it, but you don't give a chance for your heart to take all this information and using it, then maybe you will pass your exams. But if you come to Germany, you have to think, okay, what we are saying this and that. I don't want this for my students. I want my students are capable and able to speak the language which they are learning without losing time for thinking about rational things. What was it, this or that? I mean, if you speak your mother tongue, you also don't think it comes directly, so you don't lose any seconds. And for this, my advice to you is just look at home, print it out, and take a break, be calm, and let's, for example, complete this sentences. Look what you remember, and if you make quote by quote something wrong, it is not bad, it is the opposite, it's good. It's an opportunity for you. Okay, here I can learn something. And therefore the second part would be just what I would do is just taking here this second part to cut it off and put it in a place. Maybe if you wake up, you can see it, or any place, just to see it. Guten Morgen, guten Tag. Just it becomes normal for you. It becomes normal for you. And well, I wish you good luck. Just if you didn't understand something, just repeat the first lesson, the presentation, and then the second one. And for the third one, if you want, some of my students are learning better if they are listening something. They are more the audio type or visual type if they see something. So I prepared also for you some kind of video. You will hear my voice. I'm repeating the vocabulary, and you can see the words. So up to you. If you want, you can just listen to it or both. And if you have any questions, you can mail me. And I wish you good luck. And I say, auf Wiedersehen.